Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, streamlining tasks, enhancing decision-making, and unlocking new efficiencies. But with this power comes a set of ethical challenges that cannot be ignored. As someone working in a tech-driven environment, I've seen firsthand how AI can both elevate and complicate workplace dynamics. One major concern is algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from historical data, which often contains embedded prejudices. If left unchecked, these biases can influence hiring decisions, performance evaluations, and even promotions. For example, an AI tool trained on past hiring data might favor candidates from certain backgrounds, unintentionally excluding others. This raises serious questions about fairness and inclusivity. Another challenge is employee surveillance. AI-powered monitoring tools can track productivity, analyze communication patterns, and even assess emotional states. While these tools are marketed as ways to boost efficiency, they can easily cross into invasive territory. The line between helpful oversight and micromanagement becomes blurred, potentially eroding trust and autonomy in the workplace. Accountability is also a gray area. When an AI system makes a flawed decision, say, misclassifying an employee's performance or recommending a harmful business strategy, who is responsible? The developer, the manager who deployed it, or the algorithm itself? Without clear accountability frameworks, organizations risk deflecting blame and undermining ethical responsibility. Then there's the issue of job displacement. As AI automates routine tasks, many roles are being redefined or eliminated. While this can lead to innovation and new opportunities, it also creates anxiety and uncertainty for workers. Ethical implementation means not just deploying AI, but also preparing employees through reskilling and transparent communication. Lastly, transparency and explainability are essential. Employees deserve to understand how AI systems make decisions that affect their careers. Black box algorithms, those whose inner workings are hidden, can foster confusion and resentment. Ethical AI should be interpretable, with clear documentation and open dialogue. In conclusion, implementing AI in the workplace is not just a technical challenge, it's a moral one. Organizations must prioritize fairness, privacy, accountability, and transparency. AI should be a tool that empowers people, not one that replaces or marginalizes them.